This is TWiT.
For a lot of people who are Zooming and Skyping and FaceTiming, maybe they're even getting married over FaceTime, they would like a better camera. And you already have a pretty good camera if you have an iPhone or an iPad. You already have a damn good camera. People are asking me all the time, and if you go, by the way, to, and I'll say, well, get a Logitech C920 or something. They say, well, A, you can't get them. B, there's scalpers selling them for 3 times the price. C, they don't get delivered till June. You already have an iPhone. You have a great camera, and this is software that will turn your iPhone or your iPad into a wired or wireless webcam. It's called Epoccam. It was my pick of the week this week on iOS Today, but I thought it bared repeating because, well, A, I know you all don't watch iOS Today. I don't understand why you don't, but you don't. But B, because this is something a lot of people need. In fact, it works with Android phones. It works with pretty much any phone, Windows or Mac. You do have to have, obviously, you're running Skype or Zoom or something on your Mac. So you do have to have a Mac driver, but that's offered for free. You download it, you install it. You don't even need to reboot. Then you run the Epoccam app on your iPhone or iPad. There's a free version, which is somewhat limited in its capability and has advertising built in. There's an $8 version. That's still a lot cheaper than a C920. And it works quite well. You can use the front-facing or back cameras. Since it's your iPhone, if you're using your iPhone and you're doing the conference on your computer, just put your iPhone on a tripod with the back camera at you. That is now your webcam. It works great. It pairs almost instantly. If you have a USB connection, that might be a little bit better, although we were using the Wi-Fi connection without any difficulty at all. Resolution is 720p unless you're using a technology called NDI over a wired connection. That can go to 1080p. So it's not using all the resolution available in the camera, but it's pretty good. And try the free one and see if it works for you. And if you like it, it might be worth paying the $8 for the full version. You can find out more at the manufacturer's website, Kinoni, KINONI.com, or search for Epoccam, EPOCCAM, on the Apple iOS store. I'm going to start using it. It's great. It's much better than any camera I have on my Mac, which is not saying a whole lot.